Everyone can see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's start. Now, this is another program. So I'm escape this program. Everyone is not required. You can understood this program. You can try. You can understood. So I'm coming into the next. Another important program, and this is nothing but this one. What will be the value? What will be the value of TH0 and TL0? It should be calculated. How it will be calculated, right? Means now in this program, it's given that frequency you required like that. Something frequency you required, right? So how you will be design the program? Means you are supposed to do a square wave, right? So this square wave, this is nothing but a T. As you know, T is equal to 1 by F.
1 by
So F is already given. So now you calculate T, then you calculate T on and T off.
T off.
The corresponding delay you will be calculated. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
whatever asking, just see, assuming that Xtel 11.0592 megahertz means crystal frequency
Crystal
is
frequency.
11.0592 megahertz, right? Next assumption, write a program to generate a square wave of 2 kilohertz frequency in pin 1.5. So pin 1.5, you should be generate a square wave, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, T is equal to say 2 kilohertz. Okay, you need 2 kilohertz. So 2 kilohertz means T is equal to 1 by F.
1 by F.
So F is equal to 2 kilohertz. So you will be get 500 microsecond. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what will be T on and T off? So T you will be get already 500 microsecond. So T is equal to T on plus T off,
Plus T off.
right? As we know, for square wave, T on is equal to T off. So we can easily say T on is equal to T by 2 or
T
T
by
off
2.
is equal to T by 2.
T by 2.
So that's why just we are given a half, that is 250 microsecond for T on and T off, right?
Okay. Okay.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Half for both.
As you know, T is equal to 500. So T on is equal to T off is equal to 250. It's clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, as you know, 11.0592. So whatever the time required for one machine cycle means 1 into 12 by 11.0592
0592.
is equal to 1.085 microsecond. So this is a microsecond, 500 is also microsecond, right? So then how many machine cycle is required? That is 250 by 1.085 is equal to 230 machine cycle is required. Not clear?
Sir,
Sir, it is required for one machine cycle?
yes.
Yes or no? So for one machine cycle, you require this much of time. So 1.085 microsecond required for one machine cycle.
One machine cycle.
1 microsecond required for 1 by 1.085 microsecond. For 250 microsecond, how many machine cycle is required? 250 by 1.085 microsecond. So microsecond cancel, it is calculating 230.
230.
Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So 230. So what will be the value of, initial value? So next I will be putting the initial value. Initial value should be putting in such a way that, the value should be up to FFFF, it should be 230. That's why 65536, 65536 is nothing but a 65536 is nothing but a
6,
F plus 1
Okay.
is equal to 65536. This is in decimal. This is in decimal and this is in hexadecimal.
hexadecimal.
Acha.
So if you are converting into the decimal, you will be get FFFF plus 1 is equal to 65536. If you are, I'm going into the back. If I am going into the back, you can see also in decimal 65536 minus this value, right?
Yes, sir.
So 65536 minus 230 is equal to 65306. Okay. If you are converting into the hexadecimal, then you will be get FF1A.
Okay.
Then you will be get FF1A.
1A.
So FF will be put into the THX and 1A will be put into the TLX.
TLX.
Right? Next,
Yes,
which timer you are using? Now over here, timer 1 is used. Timer 1 in mode 1, obviously, because I am doing in a 16-bit timer mode. Sir, why 16-bit timer mode? Because I am subtracting
16-bit data.
FF plus 1.
That is
I'm
16-bit.
not subtracting from FF1A plus 1. I'm subtracting from FF plus 1. So 16-bit. So if I'm using the timer 1, then TH1 should be value FF, TL1 should be value 1A,
1A.
right?
স্যার এটা তো যখন আমি ওটা মানে হেক্সাডেসিমালে কনভার্ট করছি তারপরে আসছে
Asche, right? 655306 means we should be put the initial value, because after FF1A to FFFF, this counting will be 230. This counting will be 230. Is it clear?
FF1A to FF.
FF1A to FF.
Okay.
That's why I'm calculating 65536 minus 230. So this is the initial value, that is 65306. So in hexadecimal, that is FF1A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, TL 1A and TH is FF. Just see, move TH1 0 FFH, move TL1 1AH. Is it clear? This is the initial value we are put at.
Yes.
Rest all other program, whatever this program and the first program are basically same.
Same.
Basically same. First, we are using the timer 1 in mode 1. That's why, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's why it's a 0. C oblique T bar is a 0 because we are using the timer operations. Mode 1, that's why 0, 1. Then 0, 0, 0, 0, that's it's not used. Right? So it's a 1, it's a 0. So 1, 0. That's why in T mode, we are storing the 1, 0H. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So just set BTR1, so timer will be start, then JNB TF1 back. So this line will be repeated once again and once again until it is 0. Then CLR TR1, stop the timer. CPLP 1.5, just toggle, and CLR TF1. Same as this program. Same as this program. Right? This is another one. This is given, just nothing but a given in binary. This is the counter operations. Counter operation means some clock pulses enter into the pin 3.5 and it will be shown into the port 2.
Port 2.
It will be shown into the port 2. I have a diagram I can show you. This is a counter zero operations, means clock pulses coming from the external. Pin 3.0 for timer 0, pin 3. This is for mode 2, and this is for mode 1. After FFFF, it will become 0. After FF, it becomes reload the value of TH0 into the TL0. Just see, one clock pulses are enter and it will be shown into the port 2, nothing else. So how this program will be operate? This program and that program are basically same. Okay, this is just like with a diagram. So how this program will be occurred? So just this is a timer of this is a counter operation. That's why this bit is 1. Means this bit should be 1. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So clock pulse will be coming into the P3.5. P3.5 is nothing but a T1. You can see from the pin configurations. So this kind of clock pulses enter into the P3.5. Okay. And it will be calculated. So whenever we are starting our calculations or counting, always starting from the 0. Am I right?
Yes.
How many students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So means initial value always 0. That's why TH1 is initially over here is 0.
Okay.
Why said B?
Okay.
Why said B P3.5? Because clock pulse are enter into the microcontroller. So these pin should be used as a input pin. Input pin. So to make it input, initially it should be high. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next is set B TR1.
Because by default all pins are output pins.
Yes.
Okay.
Move A comma TL1.
TL1.
Move P2 comma A. JNB TF1 back. CLR TR1, CLR TF1. Is jump again. Means jump from this line to this line.
Mode 1 bola এটাও clear করে দিচ্ছি.
Yes. Because I'm stop the counting. Again start the counting. Because whenever counting is going on in that particular time, it will not be displayed. That's why I'm again starting from the beginning. I'm always starting from 0 for counting, nothing else. Next, we are going into the serial communications. Next, we are going into the serial communications.
Okay.
In serial communication, what will be happen? Serial communications, how I can explain you first. Serial communication is nothing but on a single line which is connected with you and me. We are send the data like if I want to send 1, then it will be like this. If I am sending the 0, like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. In a single line, we are sending high and low voltage with a particular width, right? So you can able to understand 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So these are the data ascending through one line. When distance is long, we are communicate in a serial communication mode. When the distance is very small, very close to each other, then we are going into the parallel communication. Parallel communication means 7, 8 lines we are connecting between 2 devices. But when yeah.
Sir, আমার একটা কোশ্চেন আছে।
বলো।
স্যার এখানে D0 থেকে আমার 1 থেকে হাই ভ্যালু থেকে স্টার্ট হচ্ছে। বাদ বাকি সবকটা 0 কেন পাস হচ্ছে? 1
এটা তো কোন একটা ডেটা एग्जांपल নেওয়া হয়েছে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
এটা एग्जांपल নেওয়া হয়েছে যে 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 এরকম একটা ডেটা পাঠানো হচ্ছে। তার ফ্রেমিংটা কেমন হবে? আমি এখন এখানে আসিনি, এখানে আসিনি কেন স্টার্ট বিট হলো, কেমন কি হলো এগুলো আমি আসছি পরে। রাইট? মানে so we are sending with respect to a time. If I am given a time slot, so I am sending first 1, then 0, then 1, means I am sending 1 bit at a time. And when parallel communication, at a time 8 bit can be sent from transmitter to receiver, right? That is the difference between serial communication and parallel communication.
Parallel communication.
parallel communications, there is no problem. Whenever I am sending the data, you can receive the data. But serial communication, there is a problem because
One by
only one line, in the same line, I am sending the another data. I am sending one, then I will be send the 0, then I will be send the 1. So if you are able to receive this 1, if I am sending the 0, so it will be overlapped with each other.
Yes.
So that's why in serial communications, there are two types. One is called synchronous serial communication, another is called asynchronous serial communication. Synchronous serial communication means, say you are the receiver and I am the transmitter. Receiver and transmitter have the same speed. Then it's called synchronous communications. Is it clear?
Okay.
Means, what is the function of PC? PC is nothing but program to the next instruction to be executed. That is the function of PC. Are you able to understand? If you say
No,
yes,
sir.
if you say yes, means your speed and my speed is equal. But if it's not yes, if it is a no, sir, I am not able to understand or not able to listen. So how I can say, what is a PC? Yes, sir. PC is nothing but a yes, sir. Program counter. Yes, sir. The next instruction, yes, sir. To be stored, yes, sir. Into the PC, yes, sir. That is the function of program counter. Yes, sir. So who says yes, sir?
So the receiver.
Receiver means you are. Means
Yes.
you are. So you are given me the positive acknowledgement so that I am sending the another data. If you are not given me the positive acknowledgement, or if you are not sending me any acknowledgement, I will be repeat the same data. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is called asynchronous communication mode. In asynchronous communication mode, you send always a data byte with a wrap up. Means শুভ্রা খুব বদমাশি করছে, শুভ্রাকে পার্সেল করে দেবো ভাবছি। কোথায় পার্সেল করব? না, মুম্বাইতে আমার এক পরিচিতি আছে, ওর বাড়িতে পার্সেল করে দেবো। So how I can parcel?
How you can parcel? প্রথমে প্যাক করতে হবে, তারপরে তো parcel।
এত বড় বডি কেউ নিয়ে যেতে পারবে? গাড়ি আছে তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
প্রথমে আঙ্গুলটা কেটে দেবো।
আচ্ছা।
সব আঙ্গুলগুলো কাটবো। প্রত্যেকটা আঙ্গুলকে র‍্যাপারের সাহায্যে লাগাবো। This is, you know, smallest finger of your left hand. Old finger of left hand. Something like that. Means with a wrapper, I am given a name. So that when the receiver end, when she or he will be received Shubhra, he will be connect with each other and Shubhra can be created. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
When I can transmit. This procedure is called data frame. This procedure is called data frame. This data frame, this is called data frame. This is the data. Just see, this is the D0 to D7 is the data. Next, you should be connected start bit. You should be connected a stop bit. Then it's create a data frame. Then this data will be sending. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So data will be sent in a 1 byte data with a start bit and stop bit, and this is called data frame. Is it clear? In this way, data will be transmit in asynchronous communication mode. After receive this data, then you know, for receiver end, given the acknowledgement, positive acknowledgement or negative acknowledgement. If positive acknowledgement, then I will be send the next data. If negative acknowledgement, then I will be send the same data again. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
This is called asynchronous communication mode. In asynchronous communication mode, transferred a single byte at a time. Remember, synchronous communication mode, transmit a block of data. Means
Block of data.
what are the function of PC? PC is nothing program extension to be executed. That is stored in the PC. That is the function of program counter. So Are you able to understand?
No,
Means
sir.
No, sir.
means I am asking you after transmit a block of data. After transmit a block of data, I am given, you know, the that is the function that is yes or no. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. I already explained you. Simplex means only transmitter and only receiver. Receiver
Receiver.
cannot transmit the data.
Receiver.
But half duplex, transmit and receive can be done, but not in a same time.
Same
Either
time?
transmit or receive.
Receive.
Like walkie-talkie. This
Walkie-talkie.
is like
Over
a
and out.
televisions. And this is like mobile phone.
Mobile phone.
Means transmission and reception is done in the same time. Okay.
Yes.
This is synchronous, asynchronous. This is RS-232C. It is not required for you. This is the value, you know baud rate.
Baud rate.
Always we say that, you know, we have a 10 Mbps line, 12 Mbps line, 2 Mbps line, 1 Mbps line, all are nothing but a baud rate. How many bit you are transmit per second is called baud rate.
Okay.
This baud rate is generated by TH1 or timer. How it will be discussed today. Just see SM0, SM2, RAN, TB8, RB8. This is TI and RI. This is TI and RI. So what are the functions of TI and RI? Receive interrupt flag and transmission interrupt flag. This is not one. This is I. Sorry, this is TI. This is RI. RI is receive interrupt flag and TI is transmission interrupt flag. Okay. RB8 is receive bit 8. TB8 is transmit bit 8. RAN is a receive enable. Receive enable. And SM0, SM2, SM1, what are the function? I will be explaining later on. So first I am explaining you first I am explaining you the SM2. SM2 actually used in a mode 2 and 3, not used in a mode 1 and 2. Whenever the 9-bit concept means, sir, how many bits over here in a data bit? If I am going into the data frame, how many data is there? How many data is there?
Not 8.
Huh?
8-bit data.
8-bit data. Sometimes this data can be 9-bit also. Sometimes this bit can be 9-bit also, right? কলকাতা তো 91 টা তো 01 মনে হচ্ছে। টাকা দিয়ে দাও তুমি। ওই লোকটাকে টাকা দিতে হবে তো? হ্যাঁ, দিয়ে দাও, ওখান থেকে পরে দিয়ে দেবে। এটা তাহলে কোথায় রাখবো? রাখো, আমি তোমাকে পরে নিচ্ছি। Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
I am repeat once again. This is 8-bit data frame. This is called 8-bit data frame. Sometime maybe your data frame is 9-bit. This mode is called 8-bit UART, Universal Asynchronous Receiver and Transmit. Sometime it will be 9-bit UART. 9-bit UART means either one data bit is extra, either one 2 stop bit, either 2 start bit, or extra 1 parity bit. Whatever, it will be depend upon the protocol. Protocol means protocol, you know?
Yes, sir.
And what are the protocol? What do you mean by protocol?
Protocol mainly to sir routine. কোন একটা কাজ করবার protocol অনুযায়ী কাজ করে।
Protocol is nothing but a set of rules.
Set of rules.
In my class, there is a protocol. You can ask anytime any questions. Maybe in a different class, you cannot ask the questions. So that will be transmitter and receiver. There is a set of rules which you follow and I follow. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That's why you coming in a TCP/IP protocol in the internet. You can heard about TCP/IP networking subject. If you have, you can learn about the TCP/IP protocol. Means there is a standard rules, some rules which maintain all of the transmitter and receiver, right? Next, you just see SM0, SM2, RAN, TB8, RB8, TI, and RI. So, what is the function of TI and RI? SM2, first I'm talking about the SM0 and SM1. Going into the next page, SM0, SM1. Just see, this 2 mode is called 8-bit UART mode. This 2 is called 9-bit UART mode. So first one, 8-bit UART fixed baud rate generated by FOSC by 12 or FOSC by 24. Here there is another port, FOSC by 12 or FOSC by 24, either 12 or 24. Next, 8-bit UART variable baud rate. Baud rate is generated by timer 1 mode 2. Baud rate is generated by timer 1 mode 2. I will be explaining you how. And this mode is called 9-bit UART. Baud rate is fixed, that is F by 32 and F by 64. Baud rate means how the fast it will be worked, right? And 9-bit UART again, it's a variable baud rate. Baud rate is generated by timer 1 mode 2. Next, RAN is the receive enable. So if I am talking about these 2 mode, 9-bit UART mode, there is a problem. Because in a data frame, in a UART, there is a register. There is a register in SFR UART. For UART, there is a register. Its name is SBUF, serial buffer. SBUF register. SBUF, SBUF, serial buffer, which is an 8-bit register. So 8-bit, these 8-bit data at the time of transmission or at the time of reception can store in SBUF register. But where it will be stored the extra 1 bit, where it will be stored in a 9-bit mode, where it will be stored the extra 1 bit. So it will be stored in TB8 and RB8. TB8 at the time of transmission end and RB8 at the time of reception end. TB8 at the time of transmission end and RB8 at the time of reception end, right?
Yes, sir.
Next is RAN. Full form is receive enable. Full form is receive enable. Okay. Means after set this bit, data can be received. Otherwise, data cannot be received. And what are the function of TI and RI? Sir, if I am going into the details, TI means transmission interrupt flag. At the beginning of the start bit, at the beginning of the start bit, TI flag will be set. Means I am transmitting a data. I am transmitting a data, right? You can receive it. And at the halfway of stop bit, halfway means just between of stop bit over here, RI flag will be set at the receiver end. So I can see as the receiver end, the RI flag is set, means I can send the another data. This is just like an acknowledgement. RI flag is set, means I will be sent the another data, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the function of TI and RI. Is the important one. It can become in your questions. So how the baud rate calculations, the equations is not important so much. This SMOD is a power control register, PCON register. SMOD is a very important register. Is called double baud rate bit. Is called double baud rate bit. Say you are selecting the baud rate in variable mode or in a fixed mode. Say you have the option FOSC by 32 or FOSC by 64. When it will be FOSC by 32 and when it will be FOSC by 64. If SMOD bit is 0, then it's a FOSC by 64. If SMOD is nothing but a 1, then it is called double baud rate bit, then it is a FOSC by 32. Similarly, 12 and 24. Similarly, variable baud rate is generated by timer 1 mode 2. Timer 1, what will be the delay? How much will be the value? So if these are the value if I am given, then corresponding this baud rate will be generated. I am given the 96 to generate the 96 baud rate. I am given the value of FD.
FD.
right? So I am getting the 9600 baud rate either in mode 1 or mode 3. Either in mode 1 or mode 3. No
Mode
issues
3.
for that. But if I am selecting the S mod bit, then 9600 is twice. Baud rate will be 9600 into 2. So this is the function of actually S mod bit. This is the function of S mod bit, right?
Achha.
Next, this is a GF0 and GF1. What are the functions of GF0 and GF1? What is the function of GF0 and GF1?
Sir, F general purpose flag.
General purpose flag, similar of F0.
Yeah.
If you can store any data for any particular time, nothing else.
1 bit. 1 or 0.
This is called power down mode. This is called idle mode. This is called PD, is called power down mode. If this bit is set, this is called power down mode, and this bit is set, this is called ideal mode. What is the power down mode and what is the idle mode? Idle mode means your mobile phone now is my mobile phone. It's just, you can say, just a sleeping mode. I am not doing anything. So this is in ideal mode. But it have, it's some working is going on, like searching the, searching the tower, for the signals, and if any message is coming, then it will be shown the display. Means my processor or controller, whatever it is, it's not consuming any power, but the peripheral are consuming the power. But the peripheral are consuming the power, right? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
For
Clear.
For human being, I can say at the sleeping time, this is called idle mode.
Yes.
In brain are not consuming the power, but everybody to getting the bloods, getting the oxygen, they are consuming the power. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
But in power down mode, just like a remote, a microcontroller and the peripheral are not consuming any power. In power down mode, microcontroller and the peripheral are not consuming any power. Only some interrupt can be recognized. If you are pressing any switch, then it can be worked. If you are pressing any switch, then it can be worked, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is called
Yes, sir.
power down mode. Power down mode means whenever you are pressing any remote button, then these functions will be done. Otherwise, all the time, nothing is consuming any power. That's why remote battery, you can after put up a remote battery, that it can be goes near about 1 year. Okay, because it's
Yes, sir.
working in a power down mode. But in mobile phone, if I have not received any call, but tomorrow it will be dry.
Yes.
That's why it's called idle mode. Okay. So some homework is given. Some program is there. Say I want to transmit A in serial communications. Baud rate will be 4800. So 4800 baud rate. That's why the value of TH1, if you say, that will be FA. It will be FA. Okay. So that's why is a FA. I'm starting with a program. A T mod should be in timer 1, mode 2, and if I'm run set BTR1, automatically baud rate 9600 baud rate will be generated. And whenever you are transmit the data, always given the ASCII code. The SBUF, we are given the ASCII code. To given the ASCII code, we are given a double inverted comma A.
Okay.
And it will be continue up to when TI flag is set. TI flag means transmission interrupt flag. When transmission is done, TI flag is set, means my program is over. Interrupt and polling. It's a very important one. What is called interrupt and what is called polling. Interrupt means you can ask anytime any questions. Interrupt means you can ask anytime any questions. But polling, you cannot ask anytime any questions. I will be asked you have any questions, then you can ask. Like is a round robin process. Round robin process means first I will be asked, Aniket, you have any questions? Aniket say yes, though I will be given the answer. Then I will be coming into the Debojyoti. Debojyoti, you have any questions? If you have the questions, I will be given the answer. Then I am going into the Subra. Subra, you have any questions? So I will be given the answer. Then I will be going into the fourth one. So this is process is called polling. Okay. And polling,
Okay.
whenever you are searching the polling, you know, after 5 minutes or 10 minutes or half an hour, I can ask this kind of questions. But interrupt, you can ask anytime any questions. According to the priority, I will be given answer one by one. That is the difference between interrupt and polling. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So interrupt, these are the step how interrupt is occurred. Then what will be the performance? Means say I'm given a short descriptions for interrupt, how interrupt is occurred. Say, Shubhra, can you see the, you know, in my first class, I'm doing the AB plus CD. What are the answer in my first class? In your copy, it's available.
So 178.
178.
Yes, sir. 178.
Shubhra, এটা কি করে করলে তুমি?
Sir, add করে মানে plus করে।
তুমি খাতা খুলে দেখেও লিখে বলেছো, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, কপি করে।
So আমি একটা জিনিস পড়াচ্ছিলাম, এর মাঝে একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল তোমার কাছে, just like a interrupt. You going into that particular memory locations, you searching the result, you tell me you are coming again in the page where you are now writing.
Yes, sir.
Means তুমি ধরো একটা বই পড়ছিলে, গল্প বই পড়ছিলে, হঠাৎ করে কি হলো, স্যারের ক্লাস তো দুটো থেকে, ঘন্টাটা বেজে উঠলো, নাহলে আবার স্যার বকাবকি করবে, জয়েন করে যাই, ক্লাস করি না করি একটু অন করে রেখে দিলেই হবে, আর হ্যাঁ বলে দেবো তাহলেই হবে, তাই না?
না স্যার।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, আবার না স্যার কি দিয়ে, যে গল্প বইটা পড়ছিলে, ধরো 98 নম্বর পেজে ছিলে, এখন কি করবে? 98 পেজে একটা পেজ মার্ক দিয়ে চাপা দিয়ে এসেছো, আবার ক্লাসটা হয়ে যাওয়ার পরে আবার কি করবে? ওই 98 পেজ থেকে খুলবে,
আবার
পড়াশোনা করবে। তাহলে তুমি যেই কাজে ছিলে সেই কাজেই আছো, এটা মেন প্রোগ্রাম। এর মাঝে আমি একটা ইন্টারাপ্ট ঢুকে কিছুটা সময় তোমার খেয়ে নিলাম, খেয়ে নিয়ে আবার ওই প্রোগ্রামে ঢুকে যাবে।
ডিলে,
এটাই এখানে ডিলে বলতে পারো, বা ওটা একটা ফাংশনস। মানে কিরকম আমি ধরো বলছি, ধরো দেবজ্যোতি আর অনিকেত স্টেইং ইন এ সেম রুম। অনিকেত বাড়ি যাওয়ার পরে দেখেছে যে ও জানলাটা বন্ধ করে রেখেছে, মানে খুলতে ভুলে গেছে। ও এসে কি করবে? ফার্স্ট দেবজ্যোতিকে ফোন করবে, এই বন্ধু আমার জানলাটা একটু লাগিয়ে দিই, আমি জানলাটা খুলে গেছি, আমার সব জিনিসপত্র ভিজে যাবে, যা বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে। দেবজ্যোতি পড়াশোনা করছিল হোস্টেলে বসে, ও কি করবে? ওই পেজ মার্ক দিবে, বই বন্ধ করবে, গিয়ে জানলাটা লাগাবে, আবার মেন প্রোগ্রামে ফিরে আসবে। নট ডিলে, একটা ফাংশন করবে, ইট মে বি ডিলে, একটা ফাংশন করবে, রিটার্ন ব্যাক করবে, আবার মেন প্রোগ্রামে। ওকে, এভরি ইন্টারাপ্ট হ্যাভ এ ডিফারেন্ট লোকেশনস। প্রত্যেকটা ইন্টারাপ্টের জন্য ডিফারেন্ট লোকেশনস, সেই লোকেশনে যে প্রোগ্রামটা লিখবে সেই প্রোগ্রামটা এক্সিকিউট করবে। How many interrupt? If I'm talking about the reset also a interrupt, then it will be 6, otherwise it's a 5. 2 interrupt, you know, for external interrupt, 2 external interrupt, 2 timer interrupt, 1 serial communication interrupt. 2 timer, that's why 2 interrupt, 2 external interrupt, 1 serial communication interrupt. And if you see reset, so another interrupt is 6. Interrupt will be 6. The value in locations, reset interrupt is 0000H, timer interrupt 000B, 001B. These are the vector locations where you can write the program automatically when the interrupt is occurred, corresponding going into that particular memory locations. Similarly, you know, for external interrupt 0, 0003, for external interrupt 1, 0013, and there is another interrupt is called serial communication interrupt. This is how I can enable or disable all the interrupt, or you know, enable some interrupt or disable some interrupt. This is another register is called IE. So today I am explaining you SCON register, PCON register. Now I am explaining you IE. Interrupt enable. Sir, তোমাদের ঘরে কারেন্ট আছে কার কার? সরি আছে নিশ্চয়ই,
সবারই আছে।
ভেরি গুড। আচ্ছা আর শুভ্রা তোমরা তো ইলেকট্রিক্যালে, তোমরা আমার থেকেও ভালো জানো। তোমাদের যদি মেন সুইচটা অফ থাকে তাহলে ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালি সুইচ কাজ করবে ঘরে?
না।
না।
EA is just like a main switch. If EA is 0, all the function disactive. তুমি এখানে 1 দাও কি 0 দাও is doesn't matter.
কিছু কাজ করবে না। হ্যাঁ।
কিচ্ছু কাজ করবে না। So this is just like a main switch. If you are given a on means 1, then
One.
this individually bit will be working, otherwise not.
Okay.
Okay. Sir, how many interrupt in there?
স্যার 5টা আর রিসেটিং 6টা।
পাঁচটা কি কি?
আচ্ছা লিখলাম তো।
External interrupt 0,
ওকে।
তারপরে হচ্ছে
এটি 0
external interrupt 1,
1
timer interrupt 0,
টাইমার ইন্টারাপ্ট 1
টাইমার ইন্টারাপ্ট 1
টাইমার
and
ইন্টারাপ্ট 2
serial communication interrupt.
এরকম আছে।
Okay,
হ্যাঁ
ইয়েস স্যার
দেখো এই পাঁচটা বিট আছে। This is external interrupt 0, external this is timer interrupt 0, this is external interrupt 1, this is a timer interrupt 1, this is serial communication interrupt. If I am eliminating this T2,
আচ্ছা
okay, so external interrupt 0, timer interrupt 0, external interrupt 1, timer interrupt 1, and serial communication interrupt. What are the function of E? E stand for enable. It's enable all. It's the enable serial communication interrupt. It's the enable timer 1 interrupt. It's the enable external interrupt 1. It's the enable timer interrupt 0. It's the enable external interrupt 0. Okay. So
ওকে
to enable all the interrupt, this bit should be 1 and all the bit should be 1. To enable only timer 0 interrupt, what will be the value? To enable only timer 0 interrupt,
স্যার টাইমার 0 আচ্ছা T0
so this is should be 1.
1
T0 is on
It should be 0.
8
It should be 0.
82
It should be 0. It
82
should be 0.
0
It should be
Zero.
0.
1
It should be 1.
0
It should be 0.
Zero.
Means I am enabling only timer 0 interrupt.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
If I am enabling timer 0 as well as serial communication interrupt,
তাহলে ওটা 1 হয়ে যাবে তাহলে
then it will be 1. It will be 1.
92
Means
Hmm.
it will be 1. Okay.
হুম
Timer 2 is not used in 8051. It will be used in 8052. In 8052, there is a 3 timer, timer 0, timer 1, timer 2. That's why ET2 also is there. ET2 is a
Okay.
nothing but a timer 2, not available in 8051. It will be available in 8052, higher version of microcontroller.
ওকে
Okay, it's clear to everyone.
ইয়েস স্যার
ইয়েস স্যার
স্যার আমি যেটা লিখেছি দেখো খাতাতে, এক্সটার্নাল ইন্টারাপ্ট 0, তারপরে কি লিখেছি?
টাইমার ইন্টারাপ্ট 0
টাইমার ইন্টারাপ্ট 0,
টাইমার
তারপরে
ইন্টারাপ্ট 0
External
এক্সটার্নাল ইন্টারাপ্ট 1
timer 1
ইন্টারাপ্ট 1
serial communication interrupt
serial communication interrupt.
Very good.
Yes.
This is the priority level. This is the highest priority, and this is the lowest priority. by default.
আচ্ছা
মনে রাখার সুবিধা সেম
একদম।
দেখো এখান থেকে আমি লিখে
একদম।
দিয়েছি। External interrupt
হ্যাঁ।
0, timer interrupt 0, external interrupt 1, timer interrupt 1, and serial communication interrupt. Same pattern I am mentioning over here.
হুম হুম
The highest priority, this is the lowest priority.
একদম
Means interrupt are coming in a same time. The highest priority interrupt should be served. So this is the first highest, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. Right?
একদম
হুম
Tell me.
স্যার হ্যাঁ বললাম
দেবজ্যোতি কিছু বলছো?
না স্যার
আচ্ছা, মাঝে মাঝে তো কাউরির উপর রেগে যায় না, সবসময় কি আর সবার প্রতি ভালোবাসা থাকে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
শুভ্রা মাঝে মাঝে ক্লাস আসে না, শুভ্রের উপর রেগে যায়। দেবজ্যোতি মাঝে মাঝে ক্লাস আসে,
স্যার আমি কোথায় মাঝে
হ্যাঁ
স্যার,
আসো অনেক দেরিতে,
একদিন আমি স্যার একদিন আসি
অনেকদিন দেরিতে এসছো।
হ্যাঁ স্যার সরি স্যার
আরে বাবা আমার না চোখ না এটা, বুঝলে তো, স্ক্যানার। তো রেগে যাই মাঝে মাঝে।
তাহলে একটু লেট হয়ে গেছে
তো
হুম।
ধরো কোনো সময় সবাইকে তো ইন্টারাপ্টটা একই দিনে রাখা যায় না, প্রায়োরিটিটা কোনো সময় কমা বাড়াতে করতে হবে।
হুম
কোন সময় অনিকেত প্রচুর ক্লাস করছে, এখন অনিকেতকে প্রায়োরিটি হাইয়েস্ট দিতে হবে, কোন সময় দেবজ্যোতিকে কম দিতে হবে, কোন সময় শুভ্রাকে কম দিতে হবে। আমার মুডের উপর ডিপেন্ড করবে কখন কি আমি দেব। এটা তো বাই ডিফল্ট। I can change it also. How I can change? Coming into the next. How I can change? These are the vector locations. Reset, just whatever I am telling you. All these are the locations where his program is mentioning for this interrupt, right?
Yes.
As this is the external interrupt, so this is the pin number 12, pin number 13, pin 3.2, pin 3.3, and this is the pin number 9 as a reset pin. These are the some program. It's not required for you. Some program is there. Next, this is called IP, interrupt priority. This is called interrupt priority, right? Sir, who is the highest priority by default?
So PX0 is the highest priority.
Huh? Yes, zero. Namta ki?
External
External priority
External
zero.
interrupt 0.
0.
আচ্ছা
স্যার আজকে শুভ্র অবভিয়াসলি ক্লাস করলো, পরের দিন হয়তো ওর প্রতি আমি একটু সদয় হলাম, ওকে আমি হাইয়েস্ট প্রায়োরিটি করতে চাইছি। সে শুভ্রা ইজ নাথিং বাট এ টাইমার 1 interrupt, right? If this bit is 1, means say I am doing this bit is 1, rest all other bit is 0.
PP1.
Whatever it is, but it will be all at 0. Then what will be the priority level? First, timer 1 interrupt. Okay.
Okay.
First, timer 1 interrupt. Then external interrupt 0.
External interrupt 0, timer 0, external interrupt 1, then SC.
Then serial communication interrupt.
একদম।
Means timer 1 interrupt going into the highest place.
Hmm.
Okay. If say this bit is 1 and that bit is 1, so now what will be the priority level? Rest all are 0.
আচ্ছা, তাহলে প্রথমে external interrupt 1, then timer interrupt 1, external 0, T0, SC.
First
external
external
1
interrupt 1,
একদম।
second timer 1 interrupt,
2,
third
হ্যাঁ
external
আমার যেমন ছিল
0,
0,
timer
T0,
0,
SC.
and serial communication. Sir, if all the bit is 1,
if তাহলে এইটা যেমন আছে এই টেবিল অনুযায়ী হবে,
then by default priority level will be set.
একদম।
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes sir.
yes sir
This is the IE
Yes,
and
sir.
IP. Next, we will be coming into the last chapter, that is some interfacing. Some interfacing is there. These are the interfacings. LCD. I will be explaining you LCD later on. First, I'm going into the very simple one. That is 7 segment first. ADC is also there. Seven segment. You ever heard about 7 segment?
না স্যার।
শুনেছো কোনোদিনও?
না
ভেরি গুড। শুনুনি যখন। দেখবে some digital clock, something. All of you can see my copy, na?
yes sir
This is just like a 7 segment.
ও আচ্ছা 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 আচ্ছা, বুঝতে পেরেছি।
ঘড়ি ফড়িতে থাকবে দেখবে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, বুঝতে পেরেছি বুঝতে পেরেছি।
There is a name of 7 segment is called A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay.
হুম হুম
There are how many LED? All are LED, nothing else.
হুম হুম,
LED লম্বা হয়, this is a লম্বা LED আর কিছু বলতে পারো।
হ্যাঁ
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. How many is there? How many?
7.
LED?
7
7. That's why it's called 7 segment.
সেগমেন্ট। হুম
Okay.
হুম
There is another line is called dot. It's also there.
আচ্ছা
Is it clear?
হুম
This LED, this 7 segment available in the market, 2 different mode. One mode is called common cathode mode and another is called common anode mode. Common cathode means you are given over here positive, you are given over here negative, LED will be glow. Common cathode means just reverse. If you are rotating this diode into the 90 degree, then you should be given ground over here and plus 5 volt in the common.
হুম
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
হুম
হ্যাঁ sir.
These LED available in the market just like in a this kind of things. Okay. There is a five leg over here and there is a 5 leg another over here. Okay.
হুম
These 5 leg, these 2 leg are internally connected with each other. This is called common leg. It's internally connected with each other, right?
ওকে
This common terminal either connected with ground
গ্রাউন্ড
or
আর প্লাস
connected with plus 5 volt.
5
Depend upon you are purchasing the common anode or common cathode. If it is a common cathode, then it will be connected with a ground.
গ্রাউন্ড
If it's a connected, purchasing
Anode.
common anode, then it is connected with plus 5 volt.
প্লাস 5 হ্যাঁ
Okay.
হুম
These are the nothing but these 8 LED. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This LED is these are the 8 lines.
Huh.
Okay. Every have
Yes, sir.
different lines. Is it clear?
হুম
হ্যাঁ sir.
So just you going into the next slide. So how I can display one? So first display 0. How I can display 0? A will be glow,
A,
B will be
B,
glow, C will be
C,
glow, D will be
glow.
glow, E will be glow, F will be
F.
glow.
হুম
Okay.
হুম
So for two different mode, what will be the value? If I am telling about like A, B, C, D, E, F, G dot. What will be the value?
তা তো শুধু জিটাকে বাদ দিয়ে বাকি সবগুলো 1 হয়ে যাবে।
Means depend upon if these two 1, then will be 0.
হুম
It's in a common
হ্যাঁ
anode mode.
অ্যানোড
So what will be the value? It's a C0.
জিরো
Similarly, in common cathode mode, these two will be 0. These will be
রেজিস্টার 1 3F
F, 3F.
Yeah.
Similarly, to display 1, what are the requirement?
it
B and
will
C.
be BC হ্যাঁ
BC means these two will be 0.
0
Rest all are 1.
1 it will be F9
9. Similarly, in the reverse mode, 0, 0, 0, 0,
0
0, 1,
1
1,
1
0.
0
Means
it will be 06
0, 6. Okay.
yes sir
So there is a table like that. These are the table.
হুম
It's clear to all of you. I am explaining you only 0 and 1. Just see, CA means common anode, CC means common cathode. In common cathode, it's a 3F. It's a 3F. It's a 06. Okay. And it's a common
Okay.
anode mode. It's a for display 0. It's a C0. And for 1, it's a
F9.
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 আমাদের কি আসছে F9 ই আসছে।
F9.
Similarly, if I am doing for 2, it will be coming A4, 5B, 3, B0, 4F. It's clear to all of you how it's coming?
Yes, sir.
So I'm not going into details. I'm coming into the circuit. This is CA mode. So what is a CA mode? Common terminal should be connected with plus 5 volt. Just see, common terminal is connected with 330 ohm resistance with a plus 5 volt. And A, B, C, D are connected with like that P2.0 to P2.6. Okay, connected on the port 2. Okay, so to display 0, we are sending through port 2 is nothing but a C0 or 3F, something like that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
We are sending the C0, then it will, in this circuit diagram, it will be display 0. If I want to display 1, then we will be sending F9. Okay. If I am sending the F9, corresponding B and C will be glow. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, this is called common cathode mode. In common cathode mode, common terminal connected with ground. Okay. Common terminal connected with ground. Similarly, rest of the A to G connected. If I want to display 0, then what will be the value? If I am given 3F, then it will be display 0. If I am given 06,
06.
then it
1.
will be display 1. B and C will be glow. Okay. Just go into the program. So this is a CA mode program. So in CA mode program, you can see like move P2, C0. Move P2, C0. So if I am given the port 2 C0, what will be display?
Sir, and I will
Move P2, C0 means port 2 will be received C0.
C0.
Means if I am given C0 connected with a 7 segment, so what will be display? 0 will be display.
0.
Similarly, it will be 1 display, it will be 2 display, it will be 3 display, it will be 4 display, it will be 5 display. Why between these two given a delay? Because you cannot see. Microcontroller working in a microsecond, you cannot see. So that's why to display sometime, otherwise you can unable to see. That's why I'm given a call delay. I'm given 1 minute delay or 10-second delay or 2-second delay, something like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So similarly, we can do it. This is for common anode. If it is a common cathode, then C0 will be replaced by 3F.
Yeah.
F9 will be replaced by
06.
06. Program will be just change. Just see next F8, F9 up to 9 will be display. Then again display from the beginning. Mean again display from the first line. Means 0 to 9 display, again 0 to 9 display. This display is going on and going on and going on, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, in common cathode, just value is change. Program is same. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these are the common anode and common cathode program. Next, we will be coming into the 7 segment is done. Next, we will be coming into the stepper motor. Stepper motor, you know. Stepper motor.
Yes, sir.
কি কাজ করে বলো দেখি, কি কি এর বিশেষত্ব?
স্টেপার মোটর এমনি স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ আপ
Transformer, step down transformer, step up transformer.
তো ওগুলো তো এমনি স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ আপ হলো ট্রান্সফর্ম আলাদা স্টেপার মোটর জিনিসটা তো আলাদা না
এবার মোটরটা কি সেটাই তো আমি জানতে চাইছি।
না স্যার জানি
টিকালের
না।
লোক তোমরা, আমি তো খুব কম জানি না অতটা ভালো।
আচ্ছা মেইনলি তো মানে স্টেপার মোটর দিয়ে মানে কোনো কিছু মোশনটাকে কন্ট্রোল করা হয়, মোশন কন্ট্রোল অ্যাপ্লিকেশনের জন্য স্টেপার মোটর বেশি ইউজ করা হয়। এবার আরো ডিটেইলে যদি বলি তাহলে
স্টেপার মোটরের কাজই হচ্ছে ভেরি স্মল স্টেপ ইট ক্যান রোটেট, ভেরি স্মল স্টেপ ইট ক্যান রোটেট। দিস ইজ মাই ফার্স্ট assumptions. How stepper motor is worked? How stepper motor is worked? There is a maybe 2 coil or 4 coil stepper motor. This is just like a coil. So this is 4 coil. Okay. In this there is a some this kind of rotor will be there.
আমাদের রোটর থেকে ওই চারটে কয়েল অ্যাকচুয়ালি ম্যাগনেটের কাজ করে।
Some rotor is there.
হ্যাঁ
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Some rotor is there. These are the called teeth. These are the called teeth. How it will be worked? Just like okay. These are the called stator. These are the called stator or coil, whatever you say. And these are the called rotor.
rotor.
This is called North Pole, South Pole, North Pole, South Pole, North Pole, South Pole, North, South, North, South. Just if assuming this one is that one, so like that. So North, South, North, South, North, South, North. So first, these will be, this one is magnet. They rotate this one. Then it will be magnet. Say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. First say A is a magnet. I am polarized A. Okay. I am polarized A. So A will be magnet.
Magnetized and
Okay.
rotor will move clockwise.
Then it will be B will be magnet. Then C will be magnet. Then D will be magnet. And as a whole, this rotor will be rotate. So how it will be rotate? And how much it will be rotate? Remember, if it is a 4-phase, so there will be a 4 rotor. There are 4 rotor. Every rotor have a 50 teeth. Every rotor have 50 teeth. These are the called teeth. These are the called teeth. One rotor, how many teeth?
50 teeth.
50 teeth. So if 4-phase, so there are 4 rotor connecting like that. So this is a rotor, this is another rotor, connecting one after another, one after another, one after another. So in a 4, something like that. So how many teeth will be there for 4 rotor?
4 into 50.
Huh?
200.
200. Because every rotor have 50 teeth. So 4 rotor. So 4 into
Total 200.
50 it will be 200. So it can rotate. It can rotate 200 teeth. 200 teeth will be rotate on a 360-degree angle. Total 360-degree angle. So 360 by 200 is equal to near about 1.8 degree will be rotate at a time. So means A magnet, then B magnet, then C magnet, and D magnet. Every step it rotate 1.8 degree. So if A, B, C, D, again A, how much rotate? 1.8 over here, 1.8 over here, 1.8 over here, 1.8 over here. Means total 7.2 degree will be rotate. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means 1.8 plus 1.8, 3.6 plus 1.8 plus 1.8 is equal to 7.2 degree will be rotate. Is it clear? Say if I am going into this this table, then you are able to understand. First, A will be magnet, means I am given 1 into the A. Okay. Then B will be 1, then C will be 1, then D will be 1. Okay. First A will be 1, then B will be 1, then C will be 1, then D will be 1. Is it clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So as a result, A first magnet, B then magnet, then C will be magnet, then D will be magnet. Is it clear? And the first step, AB will be magnet. Second step, BC will be magnet. Third step, CD will be magnet. And fourth step, AD will be magnet. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So first step, AB magnet. Second step, BC magnet. Third step, CD magnet. And fourth step, AD will be magnet. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
This is called two coil energized method. This is called one coil energized method. At a time, only one coil energized, means only one coil, magnet. And over here, at a time, two coil is energized. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Means, whatever the meaning of that,
Two coil are magnetic.
two coil are magnet. Means, strength of this motor will be higher with respect to this one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
To increase the accelerations, we are doing sometime first one coil, then two coil, then again one coil, then two coil, something like that. In the third, we will be explain you. First one coil, then two coil, then one coil, then two coil, then one coil, then two coil, then one coil, then two coil. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
In this way, we can do also. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, this is the stepper motor. 4 lead connected with ULN 2803. ULN 2803 is nothing but a call power. It increase the power. It increase the power. Power amplifier, you can say. This is a power amplifier IC. Previously, we are doing the using the transistor or something like that. Now there is a IC is there that is called ULN 2803. This is a latch IC. This latch, so means these 4 lines A, B, C, D connected with P2.3, P2.4, P2.5, and P2.6, right? So what will be the value we will be given if we are doing a one coil energized method? If we are doing the one coil energized method,
One
means these are the value A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
Very good. If I am given the A, B, C, D like that, A, B, C, D. First is 1, 0, 0, 0, then 0, 1, 0, right? Next, which pin it is connected? It's connected with, say, A connected with P2.3, P2.4,
4,
P2.5,
5, 6,
P2.6, and P2.7. There is a P2. I'm doing in a reverse way. This is I'm mentioning over here P2.0. P2. 3. But it is a reverse just.
3, 4, 5, 6.
We are writing like that: A, B, C, D. 1, 0, 0, 0. Next 1, 0, 0, 0. Next 1, 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 0. Right? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So just mentioning the name, it is a P3.0, sorry, P2.3,
2.3.
2.3, 0.4, 0.5,
0.5,
0.6,
0.6.
0.7, 0.2, 0.1, 0.0,
Zero.
right?
Hmm.
Next, say it's maybe 0, 0, 0, and it's a 0. Okay?
Hmm.
Okay?
Yes,
Or you can say like 88. What will be the binary? 1, 0, 0,
0,
0, 1,
1, 0, 0, 0.
0, 0, 0. So which coil is energized?
sir. P2.7 and
P2.
P2.8.
A coil will be energized.
Uh,
P2.7 is not connected. So
Not
no
connected.
questions of energized.
Hmm.
Next, I am rotating this one. Either left or right, whatever it is. So I'm rotating this one. What will be happen? 0, 1,
B will be energized.
0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So D will be energized.
Hmm.
Again, if I am rotating, which one will be energized?
C.
C will be energized.
Uh,
Even if I am rotating,
Then B.
if I am rotating the reverse order, then it will be like first B, then C, then D, then again A.
A.
In this way, we can rotate a stepper motor in the clockwise or anti-clockwise.
Okay.
We can rotate the stepper motor in the both the way, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Either, you know, first A, then D, then C, then B, or A, then B, then C, then D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first 88, then rotate. And between these two, there should be a delay because motor, you know, in a so faster with respect to the microcontroller working in a microsecond.
Hmm.
So motor may be burned. That's why I'm given a delay. And it can be control the motor speed also. If I'm the given higher delay, motor speed is less. If I'm given the lesser delay, then motor speed will be high. Just see. Over here is given 66. I can given the 88 also. This is a two coil energized method. 66 means 0, 0. Sorry, 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. Right? So this is, you can say A, B, C, D. So first CD is energized.
Hmm.
Move P2, A. So what will be happen?
Move P2, A.
So
A.
DC will be energized.
P2 the display.
RRA, rotate right. This is my right side. So all the bit will be rotate.
Rotate, তাহলে CB হবে.
0, 0, 1, 1,
0,
0, 0,
1, 1.
1. So now CB will be energized. A call delay is jump back. A call delay means I'm waited for few seconds. Again is jump back. Back means again move P2 means this value now it will be CB will be energized. Again rotate. Again delay. Again doing the same. So this procedure will be going on and going on and going on. Then your motor will be rotate in clockwise. And if you are given the RLA,
then
anti-clockwise, if your delay will be increased, motor speed will be reduced. If delay will be lesser, motor speed will be increased. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is the functions of stepper motor. Next, we are coming into the ADC interfacing. ADC interfacing, I already told to you some part that is in whenever I am explaining you in 8086. So this is the analog voltage is you know used in connected with the various sensor. It available in 8-bit, 10-bit, 12-bit, 16-bit, 24-bit. Now we are talking about the 8-bit interfacing. this is a bridge between the real world and the computer. Benefit, these are the benefit. Error is reduced. You can analysis in a different time. These are the functions. ADC 0808. What are the functions of ADC 0808? Operates with 5-volt DC. Adjusted voltage reference. No zero or full scale adjust required. 8-channel multiplexer with address logic. So these are the features. So I'm coming into the circuit. Already you know what are the function of start bit, EOC, what are the functions of OE, all of you know, na? ALE. Can you recall this one in 8086? No one?
Yes, sir.
Start of conversion, I'm given this kind of signal. You cannot recall.
Yes, sir.
Start the conversation টা start হবে না? Start it.
We are given the ALE signal.
Address slash enable ALE. No. तो ALE. Address slash enable. Add ABC.
Can you recall this one? ALE signal, SOC signal, EOC signal, OE and output.
Yes, sir.
I already explained you, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Same functions
sir.
over here. Same functions over here. So how it will be worked? Same program also. These are the pins name. These are the which channel will be selected. If 000, then input channel 0. If 111, high means 111. Input channel 7.
7.
Already it's also explained by
Yes,
myself.
sir.
So these are the diagram, whatever I drawn over here. These are the circuit diagram which are connected. Okay.
Okay.
So to understood the program, you should be write down this one. ALE connected with, just write down in your pen. Otherwise you are unable to understand the program. ALE connected with P2.4, OE connected with P2.5, SC means SOC connected with P2.6, EOC connected with P2.7, address ABC connected with P2.0, P2.1, P2.2, and data will be coming through port 1.
Okay.
Data will be coming through port 1.
Okay, sir.
B1 and C2.5, C2.7, P2.0, P2.1, P2.3. Done, sir.
Well done.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Then coming into the program. So first we are doing the P2.7 as a EOC signal is connected. Just see P2.7 connected with EOC, I think.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So as P2.7 is in a 7 is nothing but a EOC is given by the ADC to the microcontroller. So it's an input pin. That's why I have given an initially high. It's a configure as an input signal. Okay. Initially all the signal like ALE, SOC and OE. Initially is initial. What are the value?
The initial value all are 0.
ALE is 0, ALE is 0, then it will be 1. So
1.
initially ALE, SOC and OE, all the signal is making 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then selecting channel 1 means CBA 001, 001, CLR P2.2, CLR P2.1 and SETB P2.1. 001 means channel 1 selected. Means data are not received. until we are given these two signal, until we are given ALE and SOC signal, right?
Hmm.
That's why I'm given a called delay, because microcontroller working in a microsecond, but ADC cannot. That's why I'm to to matching these two, I'm given a called delay, right?
Hmm.
Then set BP 2.4. What are the functions of set BP 2.4?
P2.4 পিনটাকে সেট করবে মানে 1 হয়ে যাবে
Means
Input,
P2.4 set BP 2.4 is nothing but is used as a set BP 2.4 is connected with ALE. So ALE signal making high.
হ্যাঁ
So there is a required to wait. Then a called delay.
রেকর্ড দিলেন
Again, I am given SOC signal, start of conversion, set BP 2.7, again delay, a call delay.
হুম
Then both the signal make 0. Okay.
Hmm.
Next EOC signal, something like EOC signal, something like this one. Okay. So first we are checking how much time it is high using JBP 2.7 here. Means how much time it will be high, it will be going on and going on and going on, right?
হুম
When this signal becomes low, then again wait how much time it is a low. JNBP 2.7, it is a low. Again wait and wait and wait, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
yes
Yes,
sir
sir.
First checking this time, second checking this time. Then whenever it's coming over here, means whenever it's high again, set BP 2.5, OE signal make high, make OE signal high, because without OE signal we cannot get the data. As you know, again ADC is not faster, a called delay. Move P1, A. Then whatever the data we have in a port 1, it will be transferred into the accumulator. And CLRP 2.5 means OE signal make low, because I am already get the data, is jump back, again jump into the previous. It's clear to all of you?
yes
Yes,
sir
sir.
Yes, sir.
jump back to this
So next, and that is the last, is nothing but a LCD. What are the time now? Yes.
3:45.
So this is the LCD interfacing. Listen very, very carefully. It's very important one, because nowadays is LCD interfacing is a requirement kind of things in any project. First, pin number 1 function is connected with the ground. Pin number 2 connected with plus 5 volt for LCD, right? This LCD is nothing but a 2-line 20 characters. There are 2 lines, every line should be 20 characters, right?
হুম
Pin number 3 is used for intensity control. You know the pot,
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
variable resistance, know or it doesn't know? You are electrical guys.
yes sir
What you know? This is a symbol of pot. You are given over here plus 5 volt, over here ground. Okay. You can give over here. This is plus 5 volt. This is
হ্যাঁ
ground.
হ্যাঁ ভেরিয়েবল রেজিস্টার yes
So if you are going towards this over here, you will be get near about 5 volt.
5 volt
If you are going this over
Zero.
here, 0. In between, you will be get different kind of voltage.
volts হুম
If you, this is nothing but a potentiometer
Variable
can be used as a variable power supply.
হ্যাঁ
Potentiometer can be used as a variable resistance also. How? Say this is a resistance. There is a terminal. So these 2 terminal connected. So there is one terminal, there is another terminal.
হুম, হুম, হুম।
So when it will be coming towards over here, then the resistance will be reduced. Coming towards this way, downwards, then resistance will be reduced.
Used.
If going upwards, then the resistance will be high.
High.
So potentiometer can be used. Now over here, the potentiometer used as a variable power supply. So how much voltage you are given, corresponding intensity will be controlled, right? Next, pin number 6, pin number 4 or pin number 5 is very, very important. Pin number 7 to pin number 14 is nothing but a pin number 7 to pin number 14 is nothing but a connecting with the data D0 to D7. But pin number 4, pin number 5 and pin number 6 is a very, very important. RS is nothing but a register select. Which register you want to select? Means there are two mode, this LCD. One mode is called whatever you want to configure it, means how it will be displayed. Okay. And number 2 is what is display. First, how it will be displayed, and second is what is display. Means display something in this way, just like a sine curve, or display in a font line, coming from this and going into over here, or coming from this side or going into that side, left hand side, right to left or left to right, or it's a appear. Means various kind of format you can display. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It will be depend upon RS. Without enable, these will not be enable. Okay. And RW, whether it is read or write, whether it is read or write, every time we are write. When it's read, say Debojyoti doing a research and did the display like that. First, it will be shown in the first line, then it will be coming in the second line middle, then third it will be coming in the first line upper. Just means this way the display will be going on. So I see it's a good. So I want to copy the what are the configurations value is given. Then I want to copy. In that particular time, it's a only read is required. Otherwise, all the time it's a write. So just see what are the function. RW is 1 when it's reading. RW is 0 when it's a writing. Every time we are write. Sometime we reading is not required. And whenever you want to know that how it will be displayed, then RS is 0 or 1. It will be depend upon it's a common code or data register. Means how to display, then it's RS is equal to 0. What is display? Then RS is equal to 1. And enable pins, you are given 450 nanosecond pulse. 450 nanosecond pulse. Is it clear? Just see, these are the pins. These are the table, how to configure. Means clear home cursor, means if D is equal to 1, means this bit is equal to 1, then screen on. If C is equal to 1, then screen on, or if it's equal to 0, then it's off, cursor off. So something like that, how to display over here. If I'm going into the program, then you will be able to understand. This program is long, but you can able to understand. So first, what are the ASCII code of A, B, C, D?
ASCII code of ABCD.
What are the ASCII of A? I already told to you. বলেছিলাম মনে আছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, 0 to 9 হলে +30 আর তার উপর হলে +37.
0 to 9 means 30 to 39.
Yes.
And A is nothing but a 41. B is nothing but a 42. So always we are given in LCD, the ASCII code. Just that's why you see given 41, 42, 43, 44. A, B, C, D will be displayed. And the last it will be FF. And how it will be configured? That's why I'm given the value 38, 0E, 06, 01, C0. What are the meaning of 38? Just going into this table, 38.
38 means 00111000.
Means you should be see which line it is connected. You just forget about these two. 00. Just put up over here 0011. So it is a meaning with this line only. It's a meaning with this line only. It's a 0, 38 is nothing but a 0, 0, 1. Just see, every line is 0. Only this line is 1. That's why I'm given on this line only. Is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the function of DL is equal to 1? 1 means 8 bit per character. What is the function of n is equal to 1? 2 rows of character. I'm open 2 rows. What is the f is equal to 0? F is equal to 0 means 5 into 7 dot per characters. How many dot in a characters? So these are the configurations I am taking with the help of 38. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if I am talking about the similarly, for 0E, there is another meaning, 06 is another meaning, 01 is another meaning, C0 is another meaning, and FF in every line, FF should be must. Why? Whenever I am going into the program, you will be able to understand.
Okay.
Move dptr, config. So whatever the data, whatever the address of this line, it should be automatically stored in dptr register, right? A call config display means jump from this line to that line. Okay. So
Okay.
config is presently located to whom?
On
Config is presently located to 38.
Acha.
When the address of config is nothing but the location in a config memory location, the data is stored like 38H. Okay, which is stored in the dptr. So clear A means what are the content of accumulator after the instructions?
38H.
No. What are the after CLRA?
Acha, 0.
Accumulator should be 0.
0.
Next, in this line, what are the content of accumulator in the previous?
0.
0. And what are the content of dptr? Address of 38H means the location if added. What are the content of that particular memory location as at the rate of is concerned? As at the rate of is concerned. So what are the content? 38H.
Yes.
So 38H coming into the accumulator. As this is a code memory, that's why it's a move C. Because within the code it's mentioned. Next, INC dptr. So dptr will be increased. So now dptr is pointing to whom?
The next 0E.
Very good. This
H.
is 0E. Next, CJNE A, 0 FFH. A, has 0 FFH. Means what are the content of accumulator?
38H.
38H, which is match with FF. Answer is no.
No.
Coming into the COMD. First, jump from this line to that line. Again, return into the A call common word. Means jump from this line to the next common word.
A call.
A call common word. Just see, move P1, A means 38H. I am given into the port 1, but port 1 not given the entry. Before we are given the 3 signal. Number 1 RS, number 2 RW, and number 3 is enable. We are given the enable signal. We are given the enable signal of 450 nanosecond as P2.2 connected with the enable. That's why I are given the 450 nanosecond with the help of that. First high, then 2 NOP, then it will be 0. Means I'm given like high, then 2 NOP, then low. This width will be 450 nanosecond. Okay?
Yes, sir.
It's clear? Next, this move, what are the functions of P2.0? P2.0 connected with whom?
2.0.
Just go through the diagram.
BIT, AD, ADDR.
ADR underscore A.
No,
Add
no,
R
ADR.
underscore.
That is that is that is that is in 80 ADC. Now in a step
The correct program type.
7 segment. This is now 7 segment. If I'm going into the
2.0, P2.0.
just see P2.0 is nothing but RS.
RS.
This is the data word. That's why RS is equal to 0. If I am to given A, B, C, D, then RS will be 1. How to display RS should be 0. And what is display RS should be 1. And both the cases RW should be 0 because RW is nothing but always we are doing the writing. So just going into the details, common word. So CLRP 2.0 and CLRP 2.1 means both are 0. RS is equal to 0 and RW also 0.
Achha.
So this data after that it will be entered. So from where it will be written, from where it is called, it's called from over here to return over here.
Yeah.
So return into the call delay, then
Hmm.
then again return in SJAM config display again coming over here. Accumulator will be 0. Now DPTR is pointing 0E. So 0E coming into the accumulator. Similarly, 0E will be transferred. When FF is coming, means it's a
Yes.
it's a jump and not equal, but it's
Mhm.
equal. Then return. Return means return to the main program.
Main
Means
program.
over here, move DPTR, message 1. Means the address of 41H will be stored into the DPTR now with the help of this line. With the help of this line, address of 41H will be automatically stored in DPTR, right? A call display coming into the next. A call display. A call display. Again, same program, just see the same program. Only is jump into the data. And the data, it's a jump from the data word. This is a common word, and there will be data word. What will be the change in the data word? Only the value of P2.0 will be, it is a clear for, how to display and what is display, it should be 1. Just see.
How to
same
display.
program. Only set BP 2.0. Rest all the program will be same. Just see common word and data word. All the program will be set except RS. Except RS is see clear P 2.0 over here, and over here set BP 2.0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the total program. I think we are complete today. If any queries, then you can ask me anytime. No issues.